Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing this cool fingerprint door lock. The brand is called Elemake. The model is FKDL309H. Alright, so this is pretty cool because it has a app. So you could unlock it with the app, and of course you can unlock it with the code, or unlock it with your fingerprint. So let's get this opened here. Okay, here's the instruction manual from Elemake. It's pretty simple overall, as you can see. Here's the install, and then there's kind of a intelligent door lock app right here from Tuya. Gives you a little more information on how to install it and adding members. And here's the fingerprint part, fingerprint management. All right, cool. So in the package here, let's see. As you can see, this is the brush, stainless, brush aluminum. It's pretty cool, huh? And these keys should light up. So this will go through the door. Go through this side here, and where you could push to lock too. See, it'll be like that. Very nice. The quality of it is very nice. And inside here are just the bolts, and then the combiner, and then of course you get a new the door slip thing if you need it. And of course the keys, which is a special key that will go at the bottom. So you can't lose these because, I don't even know how to even get these recut. So don't lose those. Pretty cool, huh? All right, again, this is from Elemake. It's the indoor fingerprint door lock. Usually you could use it for, like, maybe if you want to lock a closet or lock your bedroom door so that they need a fingerprint in order to open it. And you could set like certain times that people could come in and not come in. It's pretty cool. All right. Again, this is from Elemake, their indoor fingerprint door lock.